Meaning of genuine.
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 Genuine. The word genuine refers to something that is authentic, real, and true. It implies that there is no falsification or imitation involved. When something is described as genuine, it is considered to be trustworthy and reliable. There is a sense of honesty and transparency associated with it. Being genuine is often seen as a positive trait in people, indicating their sincerity and authenticity. In summary, genuine means being true to oneself and others, and it conveys a sense of authenticity and reliability.